the big sound at lunch.
101.5. 101.5. 101.5.
I have headache. I have some flu. Pwedeng flu. I have body pain. And I have sore throat. Some flu. Pwedeng flu. I have lagnat. I have body pain. Some flu. Pwedeng flu. Mag-BioFlu. Dahil pag may 2 symptoms, pwedeng flu yan. BioFlu. Kaya anumang sintomas ng flu.
Alagang Unilab yan. Phenylephrine, HCl, chlorphenamine, maleate, paracetamol. It's the generic name of BioFlu. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Leasing and finance, a friend who always helps and in your face. Leader in loan solutions, a better future made for you and more. Your partner for life and more. Your partner in finance and more. We are here.
Kung kailangan mo ng car loan, truck loan, magsangla ng ORCR ng inyong sasakyan o titulo ng property at instant cash via Bankers Express Loan, punta na sa Encore Leasing and Finance, 114 Maharlika Highway, Cabanatuan City.
A better future made for you.
Otya! Beef Castillo! Anong salitang masarap? Di ko ho lang makakano? Otya! Beef Castillo! Posabong na mura pa! Ako kaya ng ulis ko! Available prata, garlic longganisa, hamonado, batutay, binabas na toyo, tocino, tapa, at iba pa.
Visit Ocha Meat Processing Shop Branch at AMJ Building, Maharlika Highway in front of NFA Cabanatuan City. Contact number 0917-190-2485.
Music is here.
Yo! Mic check 1, 2. Blazing more music.
I love you guys. This is my